Alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make it short videos like this, like a look at this channel structure. And this is they are making very good videos, and you can see that there's a 249 million views. And and like it literally go and check and look at the views, and this channel is making almost $1,000 to $3,000 a month. And if I will play these videos, you can see that. So literally it's the transformation videos. You can see that how they are making it, and I'll teach you guys step by step how you can make it and make money with that. All right, so let's get ready for that one, and then we'll go from there. So what I have to do, I'll give you guys the prompt. That prompt is all about the copy and paste, and that's what you have to do. All right, so this is the prompt, viral AI renovation prompt. So this is the master prompt. What you have to do, you can literally just copy from here this whole this prompt. You have to copy, and then you have to paste it in ChatGPT. So now you can see that the ChatGPT, just whole prompt, you can just paste it and let it run. So it's going to give you a 10 prompt, which is we are going to generate the image. So just go ahead, and I mean literally we can generate the image here also. So here is saying the please select one design, option number 1 to 10. So whatever you want to do it, luxury designs like the master bedroom or living room or kitchen or bathroom or home office, the dining room, walk-in closet, whatever you want to do that. And if you want more, if you don't like anything, you can ask them more and it will give you the more prompt. But I will select indoor pool room maybe, or maybe you guys like dining room, or maybe home office. So let's do the home office because I'm working from home, so I will try to do the home office. Or just put the number 5. Put the number 5 here and see the magic. So now it's pulling everything, and then you will see that definitely it's going through everything, and then we are getting all the phase 2, the image prompt. So now we have to generate all the 3 images. So what we're gonna do, we will literally copy this prompt, and we will go to either to Nano Banana or wherever you want to go. You can literally go for that and put this image. Or you can ask literally here, images. You can just click the images and like literally just put it here, and then ChatGPT also, it will give you the image. So we will wait for that. It's creating image, and then I'll show you all the 3 images. All right, so I got my first image. You can see that it's literally good. And now I will go ahead and go to this prompt and copy this second prompt again, and copy it and paste it on this one, another one. So now you can see that we got the second prompt as looks really good. So now we will go for the third prompt. So the third prompt is, we'll just copy from here, and then we'll go again and just paste it the prompt here in ChatGPT. So now you can see that I got this is the third prompt, is literally looks good. So this all the 3 images, we have to download it. All right, so now go ahead, download the first one. I will download the second one, and I will download the third one. So I just downloaded the pictures, and what I have to do, we will go to the Google Flow. And for the Google Flow, I have the prompt. This one is the master video prompt. So we will copy this one, and we will go to the Google Flow. Okay. Sorry, we are not going for Google Flow right now because we need a prompt for the videos. So I'll paste it here, and then we'll get the videos prompt, and then we'll go to the Google Flow. All right, so there you go. So we are getting this prompt, and then once we'll get the prompt, then we'll go to the Google Flow. All right, All right, so we are here in the Google Flow, like literally just copy, look for flow, and it will take you to the Google, and it will say literally the Google Flow. So you can just click it here. It will take you on the Google Flow and select to the new project. So once you click to the new project, definitely we have to upload those, the prompt and this videos. So now hit this one and then look for frame to videos. So frame to video is ready, and then make sure you select the portrait mode, and output is the per prompt. And this one looks good because we are working on the shorts videos, and then the frame to videos. First, what we have to upload, this is the first videos, so we'll upload this one and crop and save, and then we'll upload the second videos. The pictures, we are going to upload the second one, and crop and save. And now we are going to open our chat GPT, and which has the prompt. We are going to use our prompt. All right, so let me find it. So now you can see that this is when I put this prompt, it gives me this one. So what we have to do, we just have to copy whole things from here. So we'll copy it, minimize it, and paste it here, and then let it run. So the same thing till the time it's making videos. I did that the first frame, the first frame, so I put the second frame, the second videos, we generated 3 images, right? So the second one I put it here, and the third one is the last one, the last frame. And I will just hit this one. It still is making this videos, so I will hit this one and it will generate videos for me, and then I will show you guys the final result, how it's going to look. So the first video is ready. Now we have to go second videos, and then we'll copy this one and paste it there. Okay, so we'll go here in the flow and then paste it here, and then boom. All right, so it's created the second video. So this is my first video, this is my second videos. What I'm going to do, I will download it in like upscaled, and if you don't, then you can save, and everything else works. So I'll just go to download the upscale one, and then I'll just go ahead, download the upscaled one, and it's downloading. And then this 2 videos we are going to put in the CapCut simple, and then your video is ready. All right, so now I'm here in the CapCut, and then we will create the new project, and then hit that one, what video we downloaded just now. Just give me 1 second. So we will select the first videos and second videos. So this one is the first one, and the second one, we'll select it, and here let's open this one, and then first this videos, and this is I think the second videos. All right, so this is our videos. If you want to do the color grading and do whatever you like to do, it's all up to you. So all right, so both the videos are here. Just we'll combine it, and I will show you the final results. Okay, let me download this videos. All right, so this is the final video. I'm going to play it for you guys so you can see that the transformation. So let me know what's your thought, how was this videos and everything, so definitely it's good videos, where we saw that this good videos to get the viral. And if you like this video, if you learned something, definitely like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.